Alright, so by now, hopefully you have listened to the reading of Chapter 1 and Chapter 2 of Son. It is so far very good to me, and I'm excited. This week, I will actually start reading the chapters to you per all of your requests. Y'all said that you would rather me read, so that is fine. I will begin reading and recording myself this week so you can hear me. But for each chapter, I've asked you to kind of annotate characters and setting and problems and solutions and themes and also unknown words. So after each couple of chapters, we will kind of discuss some unknown words that were in the chapters. And after I go over them, of course, this video will be here at all times, but I also, after the first few chapters, we may have a vocabulary quiz on some of these words. These are great words that you do need to know and use. Remember all of the words that we've learned through WordGen and different things like that, and I used to post them on my wall in the classroom. Those are words that, need to stick, and then you can use them in your everyday vocabulary and in your writing to make it that much better. So let's just kind of talk about some of these words in chapter 1 and 2. So chapter 1 words that I have found was grotesque, which is a very ugly or comically distorted figure, creature, or image. Meticulously is taking or showing extreme care, precise, thorough. I think of doctors having to work very meticulously, especially surgeons, whenever they have to be extremely careful when they are performing surgery on someone. Requisitioned is a formal demand for something to be done. Refurbished, I think we've had this one before, is to renovate, to make new, or to fix something. I think we maybe talked about you may have an old piece of furniture, and then right now it's actually kind of popular to refurbish it and put like chalk paint on it or paint a different color and things like that. So that's just to kind of make something look better, look new. Prestigious is inspiring respect and admiration, having a high status. Keen is sharp or penetrating. Usually we say someone has a keen sense of smell, which means they can smell things very clearly. And intermittently, I know we've talked about stopping or ceasing for a period of time. A lot of times when you watch WTVA or any news channel and the weatherman is talking about rain, they might say, we will have intermittent rain today, and that means it'll rain for a little bit, then it'll stop. Then it'll rain for a little bit, then it'll stop. It just kind of stops for a period of time. Okay, so that's for chapter 1. Now, if you find any other unknown words that I do not have listed here, I would like for you to email me those because we may discuss those as well. Okay? So then chapter 2 words. Subsided is to become less intense, violent, or severe. Hopefully this virus going on right now will subside very soon. Tentatively is, I know we have done this one this year, is unsure, uncertain, or hesitant. We could kind of use that for our online courses right now. They're just kind of tentative. We're just still learning. We're not completely sure about everything, but we're getting there together. Suffused is gradually spread through or over. Interim is the time between one activity and another. Solemn, we've talked about before, is not cheerful or smiling. It means serious. That one was actually pretty recent, I think, and we talked about during a wedding, you're solemn, during a funeral, during the Pledge of Allegiance or the singing of the national anthem. Things like that is when you would be very solemn, you'd be very serious. Nonchalant is feeling or appearing casual, calm, and relaxed. Just kind of carefree, just nonchalant. Inconsequential is not important. Solicitous is showing interest or concern. And then dismissively is indicating lack of interest. So those times in the classroom when I might be teaching and I see your iPad screens lit up and your eyes are on those iPads instead of on me, that might indicate that you have a lack of interest in what I'm talking about right then. So that would be dismissively. Okay, so those are some words for chapter 1 and chapter 2. Again, this video will be here at all times. I will also try and post this picture. I will probably make a module for Son, and that way you can always have access to this in case we do a quiz on vocabulary words for the book later on.